Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. Let's go over Ethereum. Guys, it is the last day of the year. It has been a crazy year for us. We started the channel in March. We went 100 for 100 wins in 2021, and we're going to keep the win rate going here. AVAX is about to be a winner. Matic is very close to being another winner. We're just going to keep adding these to these charts. So we're not going to stop. We're just going to keep plowing ahead as if nothing's in front of us, okay? So in the last half of this video, or the second half of this video, I will show you guys exactly how to get into our trading channel over here so you guys can take trades with us. We've never lost a crypto trade. Ever. I believe we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and I'll show that to you guys with the indicators, the metrics, as well as our risk management, and I'll show that to you guys in the second half. I want to dive into the analysis, though, with Ethereum. Okay, guys, you know the deal. I'll make this very fast in the beginning. Today is the last day. Today is the last, literally, you guys have 16 hours. Tonight at midnight, because today's the last day of the year, I was like, you know what? When should we end our sell on our indicators? Tonight at midnight, Pacific Standard Time. So if you guys are on the East Coast, you know, you guys want to make the correlation back to Pacific Standard Time. Pacific Standard Time at 12 a.m. So midnight tonight, all of the indicators are going up for the bundle pack. So you guys literally have like 16 hours left. Today is the last day you guys can get our indicators before those go up in price, and they will never be cheaper than this again. Okay, so making that very clear in the beginning of the video so you guys don't feel robbed if you guys didn't watch the entire video. So let's go over this. These are all the indicators going up in price. Price to swell, money flow, trend, exhaustion, as well as the trend dashboard and all of our bundle pack. I'll go over that in the second half, but I want to show you guys what we're looking at as far as these. The value to these are absolutely incredible going into the next year. The reason why we have been able to go 100 for 100 and never lose a trade has a great part to do with these indicators here. And I know I've shown this to you guys a lot, and I'll play in today's analysis, but all I'm doing here is I'm not looking at price structure. We want to remove this from our minds real quick because we don't want to do what's called, in high school we used to call this cherry picking. You don't want to do this. You want to come in here and do this for yourself, guys. You want to circle all the areas where the trend exhaustion hit the top point of the red section. Great. Do you also see areas where the trend exhaustion has become high and the well money flows become high? Yes. All right, we're going to take a look at this on the charts, and we're just going to circle these in here, okay? Great, that looks good, that looks good, this looks good. I'm going to go a little bit faster so we can speed this up here, looking right around these areas. So could we actually possibly see drops around these areas? If you come straight up and you look at this, this is when the market could not head up any further, and we ended up seeing drops back down. This is also correlated very closely, but I'm going to keep that where it's at because we didn't hit the top red section. Right here, if you look straight up, Ethereum could not head up any higher. Bitcoin as well. We called the drop a few days ago of this one. And if you take a look at this, this is where these cryptocurrencies are stopping and they're moving back down. Why are they moving back down? It's because of how we coded these indicators, guys. I actually have coded indicators for TradingView customers for 2 years, about 2 years ago, okay? That is where I learned my experience from all of this. And I actually pulled in some like the most amazing programmer to actually help me code these indicators in the past. And I've even had the TradingView COO of TradingView and the CMO reach out and try to purchase indicators to put on their platform. But I'm like, guys, respectfully, I'm going to keep it for our subscribers. So look at this. When you're seeing the trend exhaustion get the top red section, this is when we're seeing drops in the market. You can see it happen here, 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 all the way down. 1, 2, look at this overextension here. So we saw the drop there. We saw right here when the market got up here. We didn't see a huge drop, but we saw this in the market. The moment it started heading back up, and I've shown this to you guys where there's divergence of you see the trend exhaustion moving down. You see money flowing out of the market. You see a high and a lower high. And the price actually goes to a high and a higher high. This is where crashes happen. This is how we're able to call these crashes in the markets, guys. This was the movement I was looking here. This actually pushed up a little bit closer on the live candle. Well, money flow is high. We're like, no, we're not going to FOMO and, think we're just going to go to the moon every time. We are looking for a drop back down. If you guys saw the call on that, that's what we were calling, and we moved down. So in the last 48 hours or so, we've been looking at this. We said, okay, trend exhaustion is in the bottom. Well, money flow is low. What are we expecting? We're expecting to see a bull move back up, and that's exactly what we're getting. If you were to wake up every morning and you'd be like, okay, what's happening down here? I literally just coached a client yesterday, and this is what we talked about. I said, when you wake up in the morning, first thing to do, open your charts and assess where the trend exhaustion is and where the price versus well money flow is, because these are moving the markets. Look at this. You get down to the bottom section right here, and cryptocurrency stopped for Ethereum. It literally stopped going down and moved straight back up. Look over here. At the bottom section here was right around these candles. You had an overextension bear trap. It could not last. Why? Because money started flowing into the market here while the price started moving down. And then it started to see a skyrocket move back up. Guys, there is a reason why we have never lost a crypto trade before, and this is one of the biggest reasons why. Look at when we got down here to the bottom red section. It said, okay, we are due for a move back up. It put us into a bull run back up. Okay, showing you all that. We need to pay attention right now because what are we doing? Let's pretend we're brand new assessing this chart now because you guys know all that data. We are very close to getting into the top red section of the trend exhaustion. This is literally calculating past trends of where they've reversed in the past. Okay, and this is showing you the calculation of money in green and the price in pink. There's no better thing to do to calculate moves down and moves up than looking at the actual orders on the blockchain for long and short trades and looking at who's buying and who's selling, which is the green line, and then looking at past behavior of when trends reverse. That's why we are calling this with such great accuracy. Now, I don't want to get too arrogant here because there are going to be times where you may not see things happen right when you want. And I had this question earlier. When the trend exhaustion gets to the top red section, how soon are we expecting a drop? We are expecting a drop within 3 to 4 candles. Does not matter what time frame you're looking at. 3 to 4 candles is what I've been experiencing, and that's been helping us a ton. And that's what I actually use to call exits. If you guys have been watching this over here, we took a 10.86% profit here, a 16.16% profit on Matic. I'm doing this when we get to the top red section. Let me prove this to you over here. When you guys saw, what is this, Matic or Mana? This is Matic. You guys saw this push in the top red section right here. We got out of here, and this thing dropped right after that because we used the indicators. I'm being a little bit more, gung-ho, I guess you can say today on these indicators because I wanted to show this to you guys. When this pushed up in the top red section, let me show you the aftermath of that. That was the aftermath. You guys see what I just showed you? That's what happened. And we're about to come into another winning trade on Matic. Because we're in the top section here, I'm going to be looking to take some profit if we move up. Guys, it's like clockwork. When we moved down to the bottom red section, this thing couldn't move down hardly any further, and we started to move back up. When you guys have these on your side, you're going to do very well. Today is almost like a wrap-up of indicator day because going in 2022, you guys want to have these on your sides. They're in the description. Okay, I want to go over the metrics right now for Ethereum because I want to show you guys how whales and institutions completely bought opposite of all the retail traders in this pump. And this is why you guys need to have this as well. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all these metrics are going to be updated, okay? So that's going to be in about an hour and a half because it's about 6:30, 6:40 right now. Okay. Emotional index. What happened the last few days? We saw a drastic decrease in emotional value, guys. We pushed up just into excited, and then we shot straight down into anxiousness. Why? Well, it's pretty obvious because Ethereum took this crazy dump in the market right here. If you guys are over here and you guys have our membership, and I'll show this to you guys, you can look at these metrics on all of our 12 coins that we track up here, all the majors up here. What you want to do is assess this. Watch this. Keep in your mind that people got anxious down here. Okay, follow me out. This is so awesome. Long for short trades. Okay. For some reason, everybody who's trading on Bitfinex and people in Ethereum are just holding their trades. It's like long trades aren't dropping down, short trades aren't doing anything. It's weird because this has never happened before. There's always been activity, like crazy activity. So I still think people are just holding their positions. And they're like, okay, well, long trades dropped out. So if long trades have dropped out and we're waiting for an increase of influx back into a lot of exchanges, this tells me that people are still nervous and they don't know if Ethereum is just going to keep crashing back down. I showed you guys some predictions here of where we could possibly go. It is possible to move down to this about $2,700 area because that's where the greatest level of structure support is if we break the structure here. And we'll go over that in a second here. So I think people are just still a little bit nervous. I'm in this trade with you guys. So I still have 3 buy limits here. We have not had the second one hit. We are going to do very well in this. It's going to be very hard to lose this trade because we have such good risk management over here. And I'll teach this to you guys, okay? But watch this. If any of these skyrocket back up, if long trades come back up here, guys, that's extremely bullish and we could be doing very well here and start seeing a trend reversal. All right, long versus short trades. What's the best one to take today? Well, if you had to pick one, it's definitely, in my opinion, going to be long trades. All right. Now, let's move down to the well and institutional smart money. Look at this metric value. It's one of the highest we've ever seen, except for when we were back here on about November 16th, and we saw this. Actually, it turned into a bull market with higher highs and higher lows. What happened here is the market crashed down, and if you look at the emotional index, retail traders freaking out because the price action is going down. down, what did we see? A bunch of people woke up in the morning and they just sold their positions. They're like, we're going to the bottom. I know it. It's just going to disappear. And everyone starts selling. But if you guys are having your membership over here, I'm showing you guys this. You need to watch this. I'm going to make this bigger and just prove this to you guys. The moment that we had the huge metric value over here, and if you guys look at what that value was, if you come over to the left here, it was almost tapped out at about 1,000. We almost went above 1,000. It was pretty ridiculous. Right when that happened was at the moment that this came to the bottom. Does that make sense, guys? Look at what happened with the Wells and institutions. They are controlling this market. You guys are like, why there's someone behind this chart and I know they're trading against me. It's 100% because you guys are trading with emotions. When things go up, you think you want to get on the ride. No, I'm going to teach you guys, you need to get on the roller coaster when it's at the bottom of the dip, not when it's going up, when everyone is getting excited and they're screaming, they're having a blast. Oh my gosh, we're going up. This is awesome. You guys need to be like other people who get excited and they scream on the way down and they're like, oh, this is so fun. That's when you guys need to have fun in the crypto market, is when things are crashing. Okay, maybe roller coaster example is maybe not the best, but it depending on if you like going up or if you like going down a roller coaster more. I used to be terrified of roller coasters, so I still kind of am a little bit. But when you go down, if you scream, put your hands in the air, it's going to be pretty fun. I want you guys to adapt that, because literally what we're doing is we're looking at a roller coaster here. Have a blast and celebrate when it's going down. That's how you can recondition your emotions, because when you guys are getting anxious and fearful, the institutions are coming in and they're buying this. And what happened with the price? It's clear. It went up. It's starting to move back up here because they're buying. Over here, you guys got very excited and maybe greedy. Some of you guys, just be honest. And then the market came out here and they started shorting you guys, and then we started heading straight back down. This metric alone is going to save you guys hundreds of thousands, if not thousands, if not hundreds, depending on the amount that you guys are trading with. Super powerful. Okay, we'll go over this and I'm going to get you guys into our next trade setups and show you guys the sell that's ending literally in like 16 hours. Today's your last day, okay? Support and resistance prices. Let's do this. The next greatest resistance is just simply on the chart. It's structure high, okay? Structure low is right here at wick value. We're just going to take a quick look at this. Structure low is at wick value, which we basically bounced off of, and then we've got structure high up here. I do think we are probably going to see a move down because trend exhaustion is high here. Well, money flow is pushing high. We do have a little bit further move up here because we can see this is possible. But at this resistance, I'm looking for a move back down. Clearly, it's going to be at 3,900. It's not 4,000. Some of you guys are going to be like, oh, it's 4,000 because that's where the whole number is. No, I really do believe, because we are sitting so close to the top of the trend exhaustion here and the well money flow, that 3,900 is where we're going to possibly see a drop back down. Guys, if not sooner, actually. I know this is like it's depressing for some of you guys. You're like, why is the market continuing to go down? Well, let me show you guys something. It's just because we're in somewhat a bear market. When it's a bull market, you can throw money in and pretty much make money whenever you want. This is going to come back into the crypto market, but it requires patience. And I'm going to teach you guys how to be patient and use good risk management until we get back there, okay? All right, dollar cost average entries here. If you guys have, let's say, $10,000 and you want to put money into the market, great places to enter in. I am expecting to see another one come out here if we head down any further, because this is going to be a great entry for you guys to ride this back up. Hold for 5 to 10 years, diamond hand holders. You guys, this is probably going to be your favorite metric because you guys just throw money into the market and you're like, I'm just going to hold for 20 years. Not a bad idea at all. Okay, exit points, guys, and we're going to go over some entries. This is where we're looking at as far as the metric calling, hey, you know what? If you're in a long trade, you may want to look to take some profits out of the market because we're moving up. This is what we use for that, okay? Looking at this in here, if we start and when we start heading back up, I will be looking for this bar to come back out, and that will give us some signals to say, hey, we may want to start exiting some of our long trades because we're in that profit and we could see a drop soon, okay? Let me get you guys into this over here real quick. The profits, we'll start updating these more. I'll talk to my team about this. We get so many emails and we try to respond to you guys in such a fast way that sometimes we're like, okay, we need to, take some of these testimonies and throw them up on the website. So you guys know this. The guy made $6,000 in a bull run. This is actually from this week. So these aren't old at all. These we literally update them on an everyday basis now. It's been crazy. $7,000 this guy made on Mana in ADA. This guy did $2,200 in the last 7 days. You guys know the guy down here who did $20,000 with the indicators. I show this to you guys a lot in here. You guys wanted to know, the trend exhaustion, price per swell, money flow. These are the indicators that you guys are having. This is the last day to get these on sale. Literally, it's the last day. You guys have 16 hours. It's not 24 hours. It's like at midnight, these are going up. So after you guys get off work today on Friday, or if you guys take it off, you guys get paid today on Friday, I'm not trying to turn this into a marketing video, but seriously, guys, there is a reason why we've never lost trades, and it is greatly to do with these indicators. You want to know how we're able to sell in the profit? It is 100% to do with these indicators, because that's what I'm looking for moves back down. So the membership over here is very simple. You guys are only going to pay $49 a month for this. That is it, okay? We are going to be raising the price of the membership here in this next year. It's probably going to happen before April 1st. The reason for this is we are exploding. If you guys are simply just watching this channel over here, we are going up by 25, 50 members sometimes every day. People are realizing that it is possible to trade crypto and maybe never lose a trade again. And I've been just completely honest with you guys. I'm trading my own money. I have $100,000 in the market that I'm trading with you. Here's all my positions. Everything is kept transparent. I really think EOS has an incredible opportunity this next year to blast out and go do some amazing things, as well as Cardano. So I'm heavily into these two coins. I did an EOS video yesterday if you guys want to watch that. So here's the deal. $49 a month gives you access to everything in the Telegram channel. So let's work this out. All the metrics you guys get access to. The entire website opens up. But here's where you guys want to hang out, because this is where every single one of our 100 wins have come from the tradeconfident.io homepage where it says live trades. Let's go down here. You guys can choose any of the coins here, but right now I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin. Okay, here's how you guys do this. Metrics are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every day, even on New Year's Eve and after tomorrow, okay? What you guys are going to do is simply take the amount of money you want to trade each of our coins with. If you have, let's say, $100,000, I would suggest breaking that up into at least 4 to 5 different coins. 100,000, 5 different coins, that's $20,000 each. Each buy limit is simply going to have a quarter, so that's going to be $5,000. All right, so $1,000 split into 4 equal portions for the simple math calculation is $250. $250, $250, $250, $250. You guys are going to place all of your buy limits at the exact same time in your exchange. And then once your first buy limit is hit, you are then going to set your sell limit. Heads up, guys, I have updated the sell limit on Bitcoin, and the first buy limit has updated today. So make sure you guys are updating this for this coin and you're checking the other charts, all right? Once that first buy limit is hit, set your sell limit up here. Once your sell limit is set up, this is in case we just shoot up overnight and this thing skyrockets. But I'm going to be calling exits for you guys in the Telegram channel. You're literally going to have me as like a one-on-one coach. And when I post in Telegram, guys, it's not fluff. It's something big is happening. We're exiting trades or something's happening in the market. So it's not like let me just say this. When you guys get a Telegram channel update, you need to check it. Okay, I'm serious about that. I don't like clutter. I don't like spam. It's why you guys hardly ever receive an email from me in the membership. The only emails you guys receive are when we're upping indicator prices, so you don't miss out on anything. I'm very prudent about, I hate fluff and I love keeping things simple. So get into Telegram and sign into Telegram on your personal account on your phone or your computer first, and then click this link once you're logged in. This will give you guys a membership page on our website that gives you a hot link straight into the Telegram channel where I'm making these updates with the indicators, price versus money flow, the trend exhaustion. I'm using these indicators within the analysis to show you guys how to exit. So here's the deal on the indicators. You guys can click here, or you guys can come up here and click this. Now, I got to update this. I'm going to be just completely honest with you guys. When you're viewing this video, this is not correct. I forgot to do it, and I'm just going to be honest and apologize. I did not go in and update this morning yet. It's not 48 hours. This is your last day. If I can just type this out here, this is going to be terrible because I'm trying to draw this. This is the last day you guys can get this, and you actually have about 16 hours left because at midnight, this is going to be going away. So it's not 48 hours. Please get that out. I'm sorry I kept that on there, but this is your last day you guys can get this, and it's going to be going up. Here's the deal with this, guys. The bundle pack is 84% off all of our indicators. You guys need to click right here. This is so simple. Click here, and on the checkout page, before you enter your credit cards or anything like that, guys, enter coupon code Christmas. You can capitalize it, you can lowercase it. It does not matter. Enter coupon code Christmas, and that will give you guys an extended $50 off of all this. And then I'm going to update this on the next video, guys. I apologize about that. At the end of today, literally when today is over, starting tomorrow, you guys are literally going to see this go up $50 from the discounted Christmas price. All right. At minimum, you guys want to be getting the trend exhaustion, the price versus money flow, and the trend dashboard to copy my charts. These are the 3 indicators we use. With the bundle pack, you actually get 6 indicators on top of these 3, giving you a total of 9. And guys, I was doing the calculations last night in bed. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is crazy. If you guys get all these individually right now, it's actually more expensive than getting the bundle pack. It really is, because if you guys get the bundle pack, you're going to get 9 indicators, and it's actually going to be cheaper than if you get all these individually with the discount code. Okay, so literally, this is your last day, 1 day left for you guys to get these, and they're going to be going up in value. Here's what I'll do for all of you guys to honor this, because we get this question a lot. If any of you have purchased an individual indicator from us in the past, like the price swell, money flow, or the trend exhaustion, send us an email at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and I will have my team, here you guys go, betradeconfident@gmail.com. You guys can pay the difference. I'll send you guys a PayPal invoice, and you guys will get the bundle pack on sale before it goes up tomorrow, okay? This way, you guys don't have to pay for the bundle pack to get the rest of the indicators. Because if you've already paid for the trend exhaustion and you've already paid for the price or swell money flow, I'm not going to make you pay more. Just tell us what you bought. My team will send you guys an invoice. Jake and Josh, you guys know they're like my most fantastic team. They are incredible. We'll send you a PayPal invoice, and you guys will get the bundle pack on sale, so you guys are not paying any more. So you guys will get a ridiculous discount on this. And some of you guys are like, oh, some of you guys, literally, we had a guy yesterday, he's like, all he had to pay was $18, and he ended up getting like 7 more indicators pretty much for free because he already had bought in 2 in the past. So if you guys want to do that, I will honor that for everybody. So just email us and make sure you guys are definitely picking this up today. Okay, guys, Ethereum, we are seeing this bull run back in the market, but talking about the indicators here, make sure you're watching this, because if you guys get in here and you're like, I just want to buy the bull run, know this, is that the indicators are going to show us, yes, we might move up, but we are going to see a move back down in this market. And we're probably going to see it within the next 24 hours here because we're getting so high up here. So watch this. Watch to see us hit some resistance and watch to see the move back down. And you guys can monitor that from now on with these indicators. All right, guys, God bless you so much. It has been such an amazing year, and I'm so excited to, go to bed tonight. We take the weekend off, and we're going to wake up Monday morning in a brand new year, and we're going to start trading. Our goal is to go for 110 wins in the month of January alone, and then 200 for 200 wins in the year of 2022. So make sure you guys are getting the indicator set up. Remember, this is only 16 hours left. This is your last day to get this, that you guys can snag this, and make sure you guys get the bundle pack and use coupon code Christmas when you guys check out, as well as make sure you guys are coming over here and getting into the membership before this goes up as well, so you guys can get grandfathered in. If and when we up this to, let's say, $60, $80, $100, $200, we have not picked a price. I'm just being honest with you guys. Whenever we up this, we will grandfather everybody in. You will stay at $49 forever if you want, if you don't want to cancel your membership, okay? That is my promise to you guys, and a lot of you guys are really excited about that. So you will be grandfathered in. Just keep your membership, that's it, and you will never see the higher prices ever get charged, okay? Make sure you guys are setting up buy limits for all the coins here, and then get into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exit. So guys, have an amazing last day. Have a great party tonight if you guys are doing that. We love to celebrate the last day. Make sure before tonight ends and before you guys watch the ball drop, make sure you guys are getting the indicators on sale, because they are going to be going up literally at midnight tonight, and tomorrow they're going to be a higher in price, so you guys don't want to miss that. So make sure you guys are snagging that. And I'll send you guys out an email today if you guys are subscribed, just to give you guys an update that they are going up today, and they're not going up in 48 hours. They're literally going up in a few hours here based off when you guys watch this. God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Let's go into 2022 with a bang, and let's see how much money we can make next year. All right, we'll see you guys. Bye-bye. By the way, this is the most awkward ending I've ever done in the history of 2021. But all of the indicators, guys, are available in the link in the description of this video. I get this question sometimes. The description video has all the links to the bundle pack and everything like that. It's going to take you guys to this page, as well as the first comment of this YouTube video. I've pinned all the links that you guys need to get into the indicators, as well as get over into the membership. So I just want to let you guys know that, if you guys know where to find that. All right, guys, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll come out with about 2 more videos this morning, and I'll try to do a Bitcoin roundup a little bit later this evening. All right, guys, God bless you. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.